Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer WhatsApp messages from Android to iPhone. Okay? So please focus on my Android device first. I want you to install this specific application. It's going to be called Move to iOS. And that being said, this is the logo. Please make sure this is the one you install, okay? Once you install it, I just want you to open it. And then leave it as it is first and focus on my iPhone now. Now the steps I want you to do for your iPhone is simply reset everything. So go to Settings, click on Generals tab, and then click on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click on Erase all content settings. So basically, we just want to erase your iPhone. I'm not going to go through with this because it's going to ruin my screen recording. Anyway, after resetting it, after erasing everything, you should arrive on this landing page, right? Now, basically, if I click Continue on my Android, please focus on my Android phone right now. It's going to ask for a specific code, okay? Let me just click on automatically send right there. Low battery, it's strongly recommended you connect. Okay, click on back right there. Now it's not allowing me to go through because low battery anyway. If I click that one, it's gonna ask for a code. Now where can I get that specific code? Simply click on this, move data from Android. Okay, once you click that one, you're gonna get a code, input that code on the Android, and you're good to go. Just transfer WhatsApp messages from there to your Android. Okay, that's it actually. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.